Hello everyone. In previous video we have already discussed about how to add desktop gadgets. So today we will proceed with the topic adding sticky notes. Adding sticky notes. What is sticky notes? Have you ever seen sticky notes in real life? I'm not talking about computer. I'm talking about have you ever used sticky notes in real life? I'm talking about this type of sticky notes. Right? We have used this type of sticky notes now. Sticky notes is a small piece of paper that is sticky on the one side and that you can write notes on and put on wall or on a book. Right? Understood? Windows 7, sticky notes. Right, you can write anything on these sticky notes. Understood? Similarly, just like this, we have sticky notes in computer also. Sticky Notes is an application that allows you to create all kinds of notes. So, how to add sticky notes? Step 1 is we have to click on Start button, then click on All Programs, and then click on Accessories. Here is Accessories, right? Click on Accessories and then click on Sticky Notes. See, sticky note will appear. Now, to change the color of sticky note, you just have to right click and choose the color. Right click on this and you can choose the color. Okay, blue, green, pink, purple, white and yellow. We are choosing blue. Okay, understood? So the sticky note is added to the desktop, right? Now if you want to add more sticky notes, here is a plus sign. Right, here is a plus option. You can click on it and one more sticky note will appear. Then click on it again and one more sticky note will appear. Understood? Like this you can add more sticky notes. Now you can write here anything like don't forget. I'm writing don't forget to eat lunch. Okay, so similarly you can type here anything and you can also move the sticky notes. Okay, what you have to do for this, you just have to press the left mouse button on title bar. This is the title bar, okay, of sticky note. Just press the left mouse button on the title bar of sticky notes and drag the note and place it wherever you want. Understood? How to move the sticky note? Understood? And to close it, you can click on this cross button to delete the note. Okay, the cross button is on the title bar of sticky note. You can click. Look here. You can click and are you sure? And this type of pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to delete this note? Yes. And then your sticky note will be deleted. Understood how to delete sticky notes and how to add sticky notes on desktop screen? So today we have discussed how to add sticky notes. Right now write down your homework, students. On your computer, perform the following. And I have already mentioned the link of your homework in description box. That's all for today. Now students, write down your name, class and section in comment section, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.